Welcome. In this training, I'll be showing you how to prevent users from entering duplicate values using the data validation feature in Excel. Here we have our date column, receipt number, and amount. I want to restrict users from entering duplicate receipt number in this column. And to do that, I'll be using the COUNTIF function on the data validation section. First, before we get into the data validation section, let's test the formula we'll be using there. So equals to COUNTIF. So I want to count this range. I will apply the data validation. I'll count it. First of all, make the range absolute by fixing it. Then check for this cell and ensure it appears once. Good. Now, true is the result we are getting here, showing that 7001 appeared once. Now, if I input 7001 again, check out what happens. You see that we are having false, meaning that the formula here is accurate. So I will just select the range, go to your data section, data tab, select your data tab. Under the data tools tab, click on data validation. Right. So when you come to this point, allow custom, just select allow custom and you input your formula equals to, remember the formula we just tested, count if, select this range. Let me just stop at 30. Good. Select this range. I'll fix the range by making it absolute and this criteria, the first cell, and ensure it appears once. Good. So this is the formula. The input message, no, I won't put, I'll just input my error message. So when a user attempts to input a receipt number that is already existing, this is the error message I'll pop up. So I'll tag it duplicate entry. And the error message is this receipt number is already existing. It's already existing. Right. So when you're done, you just click OK. So for us to test it, I'll come here and I'll input 7001 again. And you can see it says this receipt number is already existing. I'll cancel and import a unique number 7004. And you see we have it right in there. So that's how you prevent users from entering duplicate values in Excel by using the data validation feature. So I believe we got value from this training. If you did, like, share with others that will get value from it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more value tips. Thanks and see you in the next lesson.